All right, what's up, everyone? Significant Figure back. Going on to deck number 4. We'll see what the Keyforge Mass Mutation powers that we have for us today. Our last deck was Sophie Landing Strip Geneticist. It reminded us a lot of another deck we had named Maita, Sire Sure Speed, and we're just gonna have to keep playing Maita. It's a better deck. So we really need something to come out different in one of these. So let's see what we have. We have Saurian, Logos, and Star Alliance. Well, so these would be my Worlds Collide All-Star houses. In this case, it's cool Archon. That's kind of neat. The Woman Who Styles Heaths. Okay. If I would have had this in Worlds Collide, I would be ecstatic right now. This set, meh. Alright, so it's going to be Saurian first. No, Logos first. We have a Demobot. That's probably my favorite mutant in the set. Very powerful reap ability, great destroyed ability. I think that means no autoencoder, which is kind of a bummer. Eclectic Inquiry. A little bit getting through the deck with that. Even Ivan with a draw. Another Even Ivan. Okay. Infomorph for some draw pips. Double Infomorph, so there's a lot of draw floating around. Opposition Research. A Cumet. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. That's a nice card. It's a double draw QMX. And a second QMX. A Novu Dynamo with a bonus Amber on it. Is there an Amphora Captura in this deck? Academy Training. So we get that Reap Draw card. And then an Odd Claude. So we got the Even Ivan and the Odd Claude. Well, there's one big rock star in here. And that's him. That's a 3-draw card. Otherwise, this Logos house is get on the board. Pretty creature-heavy Logos house. If this deck had an autoencoder, it'd be so great. But it's moving just fine, kind of on its own. Okay, interesting. So next is going to be Saurian, Beware the Eyes, Chant of Hubris, Citizen Shrix, Council Primus with a draw, Curse of Vanity, Capture, Defense Initiative, Heliotopes, Spoils of Battle, Hedonistic Intent with a damage draw pips on it. Okay. Egg. Crystal Search, exalt each mutant creature. Okay. Xenosaurus. Explore Rover. Okay, so that was the Saurian house. Not a lot to write home about here in Saurian. We do have some decent bonus amber again. Yeah, but kind of weird. We have some exalting going on in mutants. We had quite a few mutants in Logos, so that's kind of concerning to me. However, Spoils of Battle is going to capture a lot of amber when it gets played. Okay. Next is going to be Star Alliance. We have a Rover. We have a Hadron Collision. Observe Emax. Red Alert. Anthony. Okay. Army Officer Nell. Detention Coil with Capture and Draw. It's quite a bit of draw. Mutagenesis Researcher. So there's where some of that's coming from. A Stealthster. A Stunner. A second Stunner. And Transporter Platform. Oh boy. This deck really moves fast, but I have no idea what it's actually trying to accomplish. You know, we've got a lot of upgrades potentially here. I mean half the deck is upgrades. So Army Officer Nell is just happy as a clam to draw cards off of that, and simultaneously Transport Platform is going to be able to put them back to hand, and that is incredibly bursty for Amber. So that's cool. The Saurian is... the Saurian is really kind of the house in here that I'm like, meh. And Logos is speedy as can be. So this could be very weird. I'm guessing the speed on this deck is going to be quite high. But we're gonna get a look at it and get it down and play a game with it, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll see you guys then. Significant Figure signing off. See you, everyone.